Are you managing customer subscriptions outside of your CRM using tools like Stripe, Chargebee, Zora, and Recurly? You may be running into some common problems, like sales and accounting teams not being able to see customer communications and subscription plans all in one place, causing delays in receiving payments. You may also see executive teams who can't get real-time financials in their trusted database, making it hard to forecast and make important, revenue-driven decisions for the company's future. The solution is to turn your Salesforce CRM into your accounting and subscription database and allow teams to manage simple or complex subscriptions and reporting without ever having to leave Salesforce. Here's how Blackthorn Payments makes it easy to turn a closed-won opportunity into a set-it-and-forget-it subscription, taking the hassle out of recurring payments and ensuring you get paid faster using our new subscription flow package. First, start by installing this unmanaged package and ensuring that you're on Blackthorn Payments 5.1 or higher. Next, we need to configure the custom settings for this flow. Go to Setup and search for Custom Settings. Find the Stripe Billing Screen Flow and press New to generate our customizable settings. Here we give you a number of options to enable or disable various parts of the new screen flow. We're going to leave this at the default settings for now, but you can always come back and change these later. Next, we need to activate this flow. Search for Flows, and then find the Opportunity Create New Stripe Billing Subscription Flow. Click on it, and then simply click the Activate button on the top right. This is where you can come and deactivate this flow as well if you ever need to. Now let's navigate to the Opportunity page. There are two ways to distribute this new flow. The first way is to enable it as an action, creating a new button on the top right of the Opportunity. The second way is to edit the Opportunity page itself and add a new flow component. We're going to use that method and see how it's done. Navigate to the Edit Page button and drag the flow component wherever you want it on the page. If you have multiple other flows active, Salesforce might grab something other than the Stripe billing flow. Make sure you select our new Stripe billing screen flow and check the Pass Record ID box below as well. We can also add a visibility filter to ensure that this new flow is only shown on a closed-won opportunity. Click Save, and we should be able to see our new flow when we change to closed-won. Now let's create a subscription from this opportunity. You'll notice we have 2 products on the opportunity here, but this flow can work with many more products if needed. First, we need to set the basics of our subscription. We'll select the billing frequency as well as the currency. Below that, you'll select your payment gateway customer related to this account. If you don't have one, this flow gives you the ability to create one and automatically relate it to the contact we select. When we hit Next, all of that customer's information will be pre-filled as well. We'll double check this information and then click Next, which will automatically create this new payment gateway customer. After that, you have a few more subscription options. If needed, you can set a subscription start date in the past, add a free trial period, and set a billing cycle anchor in the future to determine when the subscription is billed. By default, prorations are applied to the subscription and we'll keep this enabled. This means if you have upgrades, downgrades, or any other changes to the subscription in the future, the appropriate prorations will be automatically applied. Below that, we can create or select any coupons we might want to add. And then we'll select the billing method. Charge automatically will only work if you have a payment method on file. Since this is a new customer and subscription, we'll select Invoice. Once the customer pays that first invoice, the associated payment method will automatically be related to the subscription. Next up, our flow will take you through the pricing for each product on the opportunity. We display the opportunity product price and quantity at the top, and allow you to select from multiple Stripe prices if needed. You also have the ability to create a brand new price and immediately push it to Stripe. Once we select our price, we'll click Next, select the price for our second product, and then click Next again. Finally, we display all the details and parameters that we just set for the subscription. If you want to immediately push this subscription to Stripe, you can select this checkbox and click Next. Otherwise, clicking Next will create the subscription record in Salesforce and you can push it to Stripe at a later time. Once pushed, our subscription is automatically related to this opportunity, and we can view our subscription record to ensure it was pushed successfully with the proper information defined. And finally, we can click the Stripe URL to view our subscription in the Stripe dashboard. If you're ready to get started with our new, easy-to-use subscription flow, find us on the App Exchange, or head over to blackthorn.io.